Hello robots, welcome back to Robu.in. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and then we'll be discussing the applications and features of one of the most expensive Arduino boards out there, the Arduino Edge Control. Now why is the Arduino Edge Control such an important board? Because it is said to be the gateway to Agriculture 4.0. It has lots of peripherals, lots of connectivity options and a ton more features we'll be discussing soon. So stay tuned. Let's start with the unboxing now. Okay. Right here we have a battery, right? Secondly, we have an informative sheet. Thank you for choosing an Arduino board, right? The thing I like about the Arduino packaging is that it's classic, even with small boards like Arduino Nano. These are connectors for terminal blocks. You can take a look here. These are very tiny. And then the final thing, which is our Arduino Edge Control board. Let's take a look. Great. Let's get to the board now. At the center we have the Nina B306 Bluetooth module. At the sides we have this terminal blocks for IOs. At the topmost we have the battery connector, the battery we saw earlier. We have a micro SD card slot for increasing storage and a micro USB to program this board. Right here we have the LCD connector. And then we have two MCR slots for additional connectivity options like LoRa, Wi-Fi, Sigfox and additional processing power too. According to its datasheet, the Arduino Edge flaunts a 32-bit Cortex M4 processor with FPU. Talking about its memory, we get 1 MB of flash RAM, 2 MB of onboard QSPI and an additional micro SD card slot. When talking about connectivity, we get an inbuilt Bluetooth module with Arduino Edge. Additionally, we can expand its connectivity with 2G, 3G, IoT modem, Sigfox, Wi-Fi, LoRa, etc. by adding MKR Arduinos to the MKR slots. It has a full speed 12 MB per second USB. It can handle all modern communication protocols like QSPI, TWI, SPI, I2S, etc. It is a low power consumption device. The datasheet says that it can operate for 34 months if connected to a 12 volt 5 Ah battery. As we talked about earlier, it is a microcontroller made to be the gateway for advancement in agriculture. The application for this microcontroller varies, ranging from automated greenhouses, hydroponics, aquaponics, mushroom cultivation, etc. All you need to do to program this board is connect it with any 12 volt power source or SIA battery. Open the Arduino IDE, search for Edge Control in the board manager, download the ARM Mbed enabled boards, and then you can program it like any other Arduino board. That was it for this video. Let us know in the comment section if you like this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay tuned at Robu.in.